Hi, I'm JD, lead designer of the X PlusOne.
And I'm Charles, and I've been working with JD on this project.
Ever since I was about 6 years old, I've had a passion for aviation. And I turned that passion into a career, and I became an aerospace engineer. I love the technology around drones, and I've been involved with it. And as I've done that, I've really seen a need that's not being addressed.
When JD first introduced the X PlusOne to me, I was floored. Not only have I not ever seen anything like this on Kickstarter, I've never seen anything like this from just a third-party company. The X PlusOne incorporates two key elements that any drone would love to have: vertical takeoff and landing, and fast, forward, efficient flight.
Charles is right. When I first had the idea, I couldn't believe that nobody else had done it before. It's really a simple idea. It's a quadcopter combined with a flying wing. The quadcopter gives you the ability for precision takeoff and landing and hover, and the flying wing gives you the capability for efficient forward flight. The difference between the X PlusOne and all other quadcopters or multi-rotors that are out there is that we use aerodynamics in order to support the weight of the craft, thereby giving you greater efficiency.
So we've got a variety of different packages. We've got the first package, which is more of a DIY package. It incorporates the core frame, and you bring the electronics, the battery, and the motor. We've got a fully functional end-to-end product, and we've even got a Plus version, which allows you to have an embedded gimbal as well as a GoPro that's included in the package. So whether you're a DIYer or you want an end-to-end solution, we've got a package for you.
So in order to make this all happen, we need you. We need to raise $50,000 on Kickstarter in order to get these amazing drones into your hands.
So come join us, be a part of this revolution, get your own X PlusOne, and back us for the $50,000. We're excited to have you involved.